Sacchitanand Uttekar joins in. He tracks the markets at Tradebulls. Sacchitanand, good afternoon. So this market has managed to conquer the 20, 50, 100 and 200 DMA for now. Tell us, is the going good for the bulls, and would you take a fresh position, a fresh long position now?
Good afternoon, Sonia. Certainly, yes. In fact, Mangalam was just mentioning the data points of 23rd September. If you look at all these, data points, one data point that I would like to add is the Nifty RSI, which has moved to 50 mark, and it is trending above the same. Now, this was seen, just before 23rd of September, when Nifty was comfortably trending in a higher top, higher bottom sequence, and the RSI was placed above 50 marks. So 23rd September, that was the first time when we saw that knee-jerk reaction, and Nifty corrected substantially towards 17,000. So right now, I think the base is getting elevated. The 17,300 gap up that we have seen, I think that particular level could act as a fresh base going forward, and that's why we believe that Nifty could scale further towards 17,630 eventually. So buying declines is healthy. The stop loss should be placed at 17,430 when it comes to Nifty spot levels. On an immediate basis, we are expecting this particular move to trend towards 17,580, and eventually the pattern target of 17,630 could be achieved in a day or so. When it comes to Bank Nifty, clearly the outperformance is because of the PSU banks, and I think now again the private banks may start contributing towards this particular strength. So even when we look at Bank Nifty data, we don't see it falling below that 40,000 mark from here on. The stop losses should be placed somewhere close to 40,130 when it comes to trading. We are expecting a quick swing towards 40,700 when it comes to Bank Nifty. So I think net both the indices are looking bright. If we see a consolidation or a corrective, I think that will be a healthy opportunity to build some fresh long positions.
Okay. I was just glancing through the list of 52-week highs today, and within the financial space, you have IDFC First Bank, Indian Bank, City Union Bank, Federal Bank. So there's a lot of traction which is taking place in the broader market banking stocks. Anything that you're specifically looking at, targeting, recommending technically?
Good afternoon, Ekta. Clearly, the structure of City Union Bank was very good. In fact, for the last 2 or 3 weeks, we have been recommending longs in this particular space. And when we look at the entire structure, if you look at the weekly charts, there's a clear-cut bullish flag formation which has got activated above 185. The pattern target of this particular structure is almost around 220, so it's a long-term pattern target that we are looking at. But on an immediate basis, we do see it swinging towards 200, 205 on an immediate basis in a month or so. So I think this particular structure has evolved really well. SBI is again, contributing well. So right now we have already participated on the PSU side. I think again we may see one more round from the private sector private sector banks that would contribute for this next leg towards 40,700 for Bank Nifty.